Napakainit po. Napakainit. English 11.0. Ayun. So, we are in... Saan tayo? Sanctuary of Truth.
So, malalaman namin kung ano ang katotohanan
Sa Sanctuary.
sa sanctuary.
So, tingnan natin kung sino mabubunot sa recitation. Careful, mami. Wala talaga. Mukha. Aray ko. Maluwag.
However, you might see some nails in some part of the woods because they did not finish the part yet. So they are just using nails temporarily. Great. So these are some of the example of the wood and techniques that they are using outside and inside of the museum. You can touch and learn as well how it works if you'd like. This is what we call shingle roof. This is what we use for the roof, and the line there is for the water drop. Here, this is our wooden pin and wooden wedge. They interlock this one together, and originally, this is what they use as nails like that. Inside the museum, they have over 170 pieces of color. So this is how they interlock the mortise and the tenon like this. And here, this will hold the weight that it will not move. And this is how they lock the column and the balcony. Once they're locked, it will not move anymore. Right here, this is our long dove tail. This is how they lock for the wall at the back is decoration. So if they want to add more, they just put more and more. So all the knowledge here are coming from the past Siam, like ancient Thai worker passed to generation to generation. Moving on to the next party, everybody, please, please.
Wow. Engineer. Yes, architect. Currently, nandito tayo sa under construction ng ano. Ito yung kasi yung site na inaano namin. No over, ano yun? Over A, power. B, over C. Okay, inspect. Oh, shit.
The Thai are rice farmers who start from boarding the rice, gathering for going the rice and paying for the rent. Actually, they also do can parade here because they believe that cat.
Init na. Dalagkit is coming.
Which is also known as liquid. So in our body, it could be all the liquid things that we have, like our sweat, tears, urine, and plasma. The third one there is the elements of fire. So in our body, it could be our body temperature, energy, and emotion. Lastly, that is the elements of wind. So in our body, it could be gas and oxygen that we have. So everybody, this Alright, so everybody, you can hear me. Is that here? This way, right here, please. This way. The birds. The small sculptures represent the angels. So just imagine how they interlock them together without nails. Just the wood mistake from that. Whether we like it or not, every one of us, one day we're gonna leave into this world. However,
Nakikinig ko. Hindi. Visual lang. Ay, hindi. Ayaw nila gayahin. Ano naman akong papakain sa'yo? So, now we're going back to the city. So, ano nangyari sa araw natin ngayon? Sobrang init sa Bangkok, ay sa Pattaya. Pero ulitin ko lang kasi kanina gumawa kami ng video kung ano yung plan namin for the day and such. Pero ang nangyari, naka-time-lapse pala siya. So ending, para kami nagbero. Ang nangyari is from the hotel, nag-book kami ng Bolt to Ekamay bus terminal. And then from Ekamay bus terminal, nag-bus kami to Pattaya. Ilang hours tayo? 2 hours. 2 hours. Tapos, from there, actually dun sa Ekamay bus terminal, maraming mag-aalok sa inyo ng bus. So, pili na lang kayo. Kasi yung iba, merong on the spot, aalis na. So, if nagmamadali kayo or may itinerary kayong susundin, much better na piliin nyo na yung kung ano yung pinakamabilis na aalis. And then, ayun. So, from pabus from Ekamay to Pattaya, hindi kami pinabas sa North Pattaya Terminal. Pinaba kami sa may Pattaya Beach. Doon sa may, ano yun? Love in Museum. Basta, ano siya, parang sikat na tourist spot. Maraming touristy attractions and such. So, take note na lang doon. Kasi yun na yung pinaka-last stop nila. Hindi naman ina-announce na nasa terminal ka na or terminal bababa, ganyan-ganyan. And then, ang itinerary namin supposedly is Sanctuary of Truth. Inaantok na yung kasabi ko. Sanctuary of Truth, Pabon Cafe, Nong Nooch, tsaka yung ano yun? Shamin? Yung basta may Buddha sa mountain. Supposedly yan yung hindi, may House of Benedict. Pero sa sobrang init sa Pattaya, ang napunta na lang namin is Sanctuary of Truth and yung Pabon Cafe. So sa Pabon si Kuya. So sa Pabon Cafe, doon na kami nag-lunch, which is sakto. And sa Sanctuary of Truth pala, doon muna tayo. Merong schedule yung tour guides. May kasama ng tour guide pag bumili kayo sa club. So, meron siyang per language na tour guide. So, sakto kami, 11:40 pagdating namin is English.
So, yun. Sanctuary of Truth, ikot-ikot kayo doon. 45 minutes yung tour guide. Kakatakot yung mga bus dito. Opo. So, from the Pattaya Beach, nag-bolt lang kami to Sanctuary of Truth. And then Sanctuary of Truth bolt ulit to Pabon Cafe. So, highly recommended yung Pabon Cafe kasi very nature friendly siya. Tapos, masarap yung food. Agree. Yung price niya, 5 kami. Ang binayaran namin is 1,760. Tapos, parang, ilang pagkain yun. Yung fried rice, yung pork neck, may fries tayo, may tom yum, may omelette, may vegetable, 6. Plus, may drinks pa kami. So, super worth it siya. Kung 5 kayo, parang 300 plus yung hinatian namin. Ang pinaka marirecommend ko na food is yung fried rice. So, sulit na yung fried rice. Parang nasa 450 yata siya. Large yun. So, marami siyang sangkap. So, pwede kayo mag-fried rice na lang. Pero kami, gusto kasi namin i-try. So, yun. And then, one more thing pala na kailangan nyo i-note. Diba, dapat nga short na yung itinerary namin kasi nga mainit. Diba yan, ilaw. Imbes na makauwi kami ng Bangkok, mas maaga, turns out, may schedule din yung sa bus. So, hindi porket nakalagay is every hour, makakasakay ka agad sa next bus available. Hindi. Kasi punuan siya. Kanina sa terminal, super daming tao. So, nakarating kami sa North Pattaya ng mga around 2:30. Pero, ang nasakyan na namin na bus is 4:30. So, try nyo kung merong online tickets available. Kasi hindi kami nag-check ng gano'n kasi in-expect namin na every hour meron. So, yan. Take note nyo lang din yan. Pero, overall experience, masaya siya. Pero, nakakapagod dahil sa init. So, try nyo konting itinerary lang if one day trip kayo. But if not, pwede kayo magstay sa Pattaya. Yan lang.
'Cause nothing will last forever.